Okay, so this is a really exciting RWA real world asset crypto project you need to be aware of. It's called Credify. And this one is very, very interesting and very, very unique. And so you need to give me a few minutes of your time. I promise you it'll be worth it because the RW space is massive. BlackRock's getting into it. I mean, it is going to be one of the biggest spaces as we continue to see crypto grow and evolve. Okay. And so what is it that Credify does? Well, what they do is they basically help bridge the EU gap. Okay, right here. Our mission is to bridge the EU debt gap in financing in the European Union and facilitate a real world impact by providing fair and accessible lending solutions to small and medium sized enterprises in the region. With Credify, you can access reliable loans backed by a range of RWA real world assets, including real estate, future receivables, and more. Our lending platform offers lenders stable and predictable returns generated from the real economy. Join us in the revolution of alternative lending industry associated with RWA. Okay, so interesting stuff, right? If you didn't understand a lot of what I just said, here's what you need to know. The RWA real world asset space and its relationship with crypto is going to continue to get massive. I mentioned at the top, you got BlackRock getting into it. This is a big, big thing. Okay. And other traditional finance organizations are going to get into it. This is huge. Okay. And what Credify is doing is bridging that gap, that EU debt gap in financing, $176 billion gap, by the way. They're stepping in and then also generating really good returns in the process as well. So if you're interested, links in the description below to everything you want to check out. Credify is actually looking really good. Right now, it's up 17+% right here. As far as markets go, here's where you can get it on the centralized side. KuCoin, Bitmart, $2 million and $1.8 million respectively on those. CoinStore as well. And on the DEX side right there, it is on Uniswap and obviously PancakeSwap. Now, let me dig into this a little bit more. I want to share with you kind of this. So this was a recent tweet yesterday that came out from Credify. Talk about how March was a big month. Lots of stuff that they've been doing. This is an active development, active team, active project. Looks like it, and it just, I mean, and it's taken off. Let me show you this real quickly. Let me show you this chart. Look at this chart in the last month. Look at this. Was rolling along and then just boom, exploded 450% in the last month. Yeah. Okay. So check it out. Links in the description below. Okay. So back over here. So these are some highlights of what happened for Credify in March. Crypto Expo Europe, media outlet coverage, getting a lot more media exposure. RWA is collateral. We proudly announced the acceptance of real world assets as collateral. Okay. As part of the process, we've been talking about RWA. So they did a lot of tech updates and announcements. They gave you a profit sharing snapshot, unveiled plans for the first snapshot of profit sharing among Credi holders, okay, scheduled for April 30th. Notably, the first tranche slated for June 20th will be distributing stable coins to distinguish our approach from others in the space. So again, you get a return by holding the coin per right there as part of this process, okay? AMA with Bird's Nest and insightful, AMA with them. 2x liquidity provision right there. Tokens price action bolstered by unwavering support. Token moved up. The Testnet launch. Okay, so I want to share with you that right here. That's a pinned tweet they've got right here. Testnet right here is now live. Okay, so they are, again, active development, moving forward. Lots of good stuff there. There was one other thing. Oh, yeah, this is the Burb Nest right here. Exciting airdrop giveaway boost offers from our partners right there. It's one of the most exciting RWA projects. So that's something that also is a utility around this project as well. So again, check these guys out. Run it through your own due diligence. This is one that's really interesting, and obviously stepping in and solving a real world problem with what they're doing, lending, all that kind of stuff, giving great value and utility to the token holders. Links in the description below to everything you need to get involved with this one. I'll link down to their website. Okay. I'll also link down to their Twitter. And I'll also link down where, by the way, on CoinMarketCap, you can discover exactly where to get it. I've already showed you, but on the centralized style, which most of you guys are probably going to want, it's KuCoin, Bitmart, CoinStore, and it's raging. The price of the token is up really, really, really big time in a positive way. One day up 18+%. By the way, it's flying in the face of some pretty hard times in crypto right now. The entire crypto market is down as of the recording of this video quite a bit. Crypto market is down 6+%. You can see Bitcoin's down 6, Ethereum down 7. So again, Credify is doing some good stuff, and they're on fire right now, up 16 to 18% right now. Looking good. Links in the description below. As always, I appreciate you. This was a sponsored video from Credify, so check them out. Run it through your own due diligence. I'll see you. Have a good one. Take care.